This week was a busy week. We thought we'd get the laundry room done, but we didn't.
Happens. You know, we have a lot of projects going on every week, and some weeks we get more done than others, and sometimes stuff comes up. Especially this week, we've had a lot of stuff with the kids, so.
Kid stuff. Frederick especially. 2 different doctor's appointments. We got that going on. The German schmear was Zeb's project he was super excited about. I was actually excited about how much easier it was than I thought it would be.
Are you making sure we're in camera?
Yeah.
Are you the camera guy?
Yeah.
That'd be great if you were the camera guy. We'll just make it a family business.
Yeah.
You'll never move away. We'll get you a house next door, and you can have your little family next door, and we'll just work it. Can you help me on the CNC machines?
Yeah.
All right.
Gotta marry a wife that's handy. Or is willing to try.
Yep.
We can trade.
I'm the cameraman right now. And I can watch you.
And you can watch us?
Uh-huh. On the camera.
Can you see me down here?
No, you're out of the clear.
Push that up a little. Can you see it now?
Yeah, I can see you now.
Okay, don't touch it while it's filming.
I pushed it down.
Okay, that's good. You know, expectation versus reality. I thought that it was gonna be something that would be difficult, time consuming, and maybe wouldn't look right. And it was none of those things. It was like really easy, took a few hours, and not a lot of skill. I feel like it was
Pretty much zero skill. Like we basically slapped it
random.
up, smoothed it out, painted over it, and walked away.
And it makes a huge impact. Like the second you look into that laundry room, that's the first thing you see. We've got a few more odds and ends we'll tie up next week. I did make a trip to Ikea this week. You guys know I love baskets. I think I'm gonna get this basket to just put like towels or blankets or maybe just odds and ends socks. I picked out some fun things to finish up the laundry room, to spruce up our house for like summer, just some redo stuff, pillows for the basement, and some stuff for the bathroom that we're gonna be redoing.
Oh, the bathroom.
Yeah.
One of the many projects that may or may not be completed.
You didn't see that one coming, did you?
During Waste Not Wednesday, I got a lot of setup done for the salvage before the video, so you guys are gonna be able to see a little bit of that. The prep work that goes into that. It hasn't quite turned out how we wanted. It's really kind of drab and gray, so we may actually change the whole design, still use the same pieces, but separate out that one big leg and make 4 smaller legs and widen that out a little.
I provided Zeb with a drawing. We'll show you that drawing here. It may not make sense to most people, but Zeb will figure it out. Once we did that build, we also worked on a cool window where we used our JRV stencils, and that's gonna be going in the laundry room, so we're slowly working towards getting those projects finished. And then we did quick and easy succulents, which are at the shop.
Oh, so easy and fast. Lots of easy projects this week that were maybe a little bit intimidating to start, and then we're like, oh, you just put it in there.
Definitely things that we've never tried before. That's a lot of what happens on our channel, and it's always really fun to try something new. Succulents, I've been a little bit like, you know, wasn't sure if I liked them. Then I went to Plant Bar and I liked them a little more, and then I went to go visit Debbie and I liked them a little bit more.
It's an easy way to add some green into your decor without having to have like the maintenance of a big house plant.
And nobody got time for, well, maybe, I shouldn't say that. I can't say I don't have time for houseplants, because that could be the next thing. I could be the plant lady. We finished our week with a good thrift haul. We've got some fun stuff. Saturday night we'll go live. We'll talk about every item that we picked, maybe paint a few, and let you know what we paid and what they'll sell for.
All right, we are at the thrift store once again, and we are on the hunt for small items that we can plant succulents in, and of course, candlesticks. Yeah, I can get that nail off.
It's cute. Although you know the real good stuff. Oh, you pick out the coolest stuff. I'm like, how is this shop the same DI? Cute little ceramic rooster. It's not too shiny, so it will be easy to paint and make cute. $2, price is right.
What about like something like this? Would this be cool with succulents in it?
It's too big. Like, you have to think
It's
like,
too big. Think small.
Think small because succulents.
What about those little tin cans?
What about these?
Oh, those might be cool, yeah.
International Silver Company.
So some things might not get planted, but that's what we're looking for.
Yeah, these are cool. So it's a cream and sugar something or other, but these would be cute with succulents. So we found these 2 little shelves. They've got cute brackets on the side. Put some little hooks on there and they'll be good to go. So we found this for $3. It's pretty and it's got a fun design on the bottom. And I don't have any cake plates right now, so this is a good one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these. I like the silver patina on the top and the scale is right for succulents.
So we came outside to the yard area and there's a couple of these sitting out here. They're $6 a piece, but they're solid wood. So good find on these. Probably, I mean, they're tall. They'll probably sell for about 15 to 20, somewhere in there. So a lot of these projects that we do throughout the week, we also film and have full DIYs up on the channel. So make sure if you haven't seen those and you're interested in a project that we did in this vlog, that you're checking out those DIY videos.
Seb will drop the link below. Comment with any questions you have or any design ideas you have for the kids' bathroom, because I'm open to ideas. Be sure to hit that notification button so you don't miss the reveal of the laundry room, our live videos, and the fun DIYs we have planned for next week. Visit JamiRayVintage.com for the paint and products that we use in all of our vlogs, DIYs, and around the house. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.
Hit the subscribe button.